Hello, welcome to new video with clear how to clear this this model, this clear content. Use the button, user button. Developer, go to form. Okay, 1 2 3. Set it up 3 command button 1. Okay, sheet 1 cells cell 4 4 5 4 1 CL. Okay, not cell not range your phone capital C. Yeah, was yeah 5. Okay, C clear. Oh, okay. This checking first. Yeah, 5 this. Okay, this clear. Okay, clear. So when 3 check, copy. Okay, okay. C5. Now delete A to C, A B C here. Okay, deleted. Clear. Okay, okay. I know for okay, clear. Okay. Now go to command button 3. This copy, no problem. Copy. This range delete. This 5 2 C 8 9 deleted. Okay. Now full deleted. This form deleted. Delete not to clear. Okay. Clear. Okay, clear. Okay. Now understand my video. Please, if you subscribe and like. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video.